Alright guys, we're gonna sing happy birthday to Hayden. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hayden. Happy birthday to you. Alright, big step down, man. Nice work. Any other kids on the boat want to drive? Above the water, when they spot a fish, they'll dive straight down and scoop them up. When they do that, they can scoop up to 2 gallons of water at one time. And they spit it out and eat the fish. Scientists say birds are the last descendants of dinosaurs. These guys look a lot like a pterodactyl. So the ones with the white heads are the males. The ones with the gray heads are females. For whatever reason in nature, the males are always prettier than the females. Except for humans.
Yeah. How close they are, look at them.
A lot of people call them seals, but this is a sea lion. The sea lions have little ear flaps on their eyes and they can walk around on their flippers. Seals, on the other hand, do not have ear flaps and seals cannot walk around. You typically find seals on sandy beaches and they just scooch around on their belly like a baby. And once again, these are sea lions here. For joining me here on the Glass Bottom Boat, appreciate y'all. You guys had a good time. By the way, there's a sea lion up in the water up ahead of us. You guys had a good time. This is a male, so it's got the big forehead bump, lighter patch of fur. You guys had a good time. Do me a favor, tell your friends, tell your family. Shoot, tell your enemies, I don't care, I'll take them all. If you guys like some of those history stories I told you, feel free to check out our website up here above me. We got a cool history page there, lots of neat photos you can check out, kind of look back in time. Other than that, I'm going to get the boat parked tied up here in just a moment. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you're feeling tipsy, feel free to throw something in the jar here. Always appreciate it. Thank you guys.